Welcome back to Cars World '07, the home of luxury, performance, and everything that makes driving an unforgettable experience. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated models of the year, the all-new 2025 BMW M2. A car that packs serious punch, oozes sportiness, and offers driving dynamics that will leave you breathless. And if that's not enough, we've got a special treat for you. We recently had the privilege of taking the new M2 on a heart-pounding track day at the famous Thermal Club in California's Palm Springs. Buckle up because we're about to take you through our experience with the beast of a machine. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a closer look at the 2025 BMW M2. Now, BMW has a rich history of producing high-performance M-Series vehicles, and the M2 carries on that legacy with style and substance. Available as a coupe or a newly introduced four-door option called the M2 Tourer, the M2 stands out with its sharp, athletic design and powerful engine. Now let's talk about design. The M2 exudes sportiness from every angle with its aggressive front grille, sculpted body lines, and flared wheel arches. The large air intakes and functional rear wing add to its aerodynamic prowess, ensuring that this car cuts through the air with ease. And let's not forget about those iconic kidney grills, now larger than ever, dominating the front end with their bold, eye-catching presence. They're a signature element of the M2's face, symbolizing its power and athleticism. On the inside, the M2 doesn't disappoint. The cabin is a blend of luxury and functionality with premium materials, ergonomic design, and cutting-edge technology. Supportive sport seats, a thick leather steering wheel, and a heads-up display add to the immersive driving experience. And when it comes to sound, the M2 offers an auditory delight. The inline-six cylinder engine produces a symphony of sound that resonates with any car enthusiast. Whether you're cruising through city streets or revving it up on a racetrack, the M2 ensures that you and everyone around you will remember the experience. Okay, enough with the build-up. Let's dive into our unforgettable track day with the new M2. We headed to the Thermal Club, a private motorsports country club nestled in the picturesque surroundings of Palm Springs. It's a place where luxury meets adrenaline, offering world-class racing facilities amidst stunning desert landscapes. The moment we stepped onto the track, we knew we were in for a treat. The M2 handled the high-speed turns with precision, hugging the corners like a champ. The engine roared, putting down a mind-blowing 453 horsepower, propelling us forward with sheer force. It was a dance between man and machine, a thrilling partnership that left us exhilarated. As we sped down the straightaways, the wind whipped past us, carrying the scent of burnt rubber and the sound of pure automotive bliss. The six-speed manual transmission shifted gears effortlessly, providing a seamless and adrenaline-filled ride. Our hearts raced in sync with the engine, pounding with excitement at every twist and turn. The M2 became an extension of our will, responding to our every move with lightning-fast precision. We pushed it to the limit, testing its boundaries and marveling at its raw power and control. It was a symphony of speed, precision, and unadulterated fun. But the magic didn't end at the racetrack. The allure of the M2 extends far beyond the tarmac. With its timeless design and potent engine, it's a car that turns heads and ignites envy. Cruising through the streets, we basked in the envious glances of fellow motorists, knowing that they too were captivated by the M2's irresistible charm. It's a car that commands respect and admiration, leaving an unforgettable impression wherever it goes. Now, you might be wondering why we chose the M2 as our ride for the ultimate track day experience. Well, it's simple. The M2 embodies the spirit of performance and precision that we strive for in everything we do. Its powerful engine, agile handling, and luxurious interior align perfectly with our values and aspirations. Plus, let's face it, who wouldn't want to tear up the track in a car that looks as good as the M2? And that's not all. The M2's reputation as a driver's dream car precedes it. With its near-perfect weight distribution, balanced suspension, and responsive steering, it offers an unparalleled driving experience. Whether you're navigating winding mountain roads or carving through racetracks, the M2 delivers pinpoint accuracy and stability, making every drive an adventure. In the quest for automotive excellence, We believe that the M2 is a shining example of what can be achieved when engineering prowess meets driving passion. It's not just a car. It's a symbol of innovation, power, and the pursuit of perfection. So, why settle for ordinary when you can experience the extraordinary? Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or a luxury seeker, the M2 has something for everyone. Its combination of blistering performance, jaw-dropping design, and refined luxury sets a new standard in the automotive industry. So go ahead, take it for a spin, and discover the thrill of driving a legend. The world of luxury cars is constantly evolving, and there's no better place to stay ahead of the curve than Carsverse. We bring you the latest news, reviews, and trends in the automotive world, covering everything from concept cars to super yachts. Our team of experts provides in-depth analysis and commentary, keeping you informed about the latest developments in the luxury car market. Whether you're passionate about electric vehicles, high-performance engines, or cutting-edge design, we've got you covered. That's it for today, folks. We hope you enjoyed joining us for a thrilling ride in the all-new 2025 BMW M2. Remember, life is too short to drive boring cars. So go out there and experience the ultimate driving machine. Until next time, keep living life on the fast lane.